Yeah, VK3 FTOM returning. Yeah, you're about 20 over S9, 20 over S9 into Melbourne. Just a little suburb outside, the suburbs of Melbourne, eastern suburbs of Melbourne, at a little place called Wheelers Hill in the eastern suburbs of Melbourne. Wheelers Hill in the eastern suburbs of Melbourne to 30 over 9, between 20 and peaking at 30 over 9. Just running an FT817, 5 watts into a half-wave end fed, just testing out the portable station before I head away. Back over to you from VK3 FTO.
Well, Tom, I'll take the 30 over 9 all day long. Thank you for the great report. What was your name? I didn't get your name, over.
Tom, Tango Oscar Mike.
I thought as much, but I thought I'd better ask. Okay, mate, very good. Well, 5 watts is doing a great job, mate. Fantastic job. You're peaking at 5 and 8, 58 with the 5 watts, so it's going to serve you well when you go away, and you might want to tell us where you're off to, mate, over.